Hi everybody and welcome back to my garden. Well, just a quickie today. I thought you might like to see my bluebells. They're out in full flow at the moment, looking fabulous. And here they are. I'm really proud of these. It's a bit like a sort of a bluebell would, if you like. It really is a good time of the year for these in my garden. They won't last much longer, I don't suppose, but at the moment they're in their best. You'll have to excuse me, water running in the background. That's my pond waterfall going. In amongst those is a Dicentra, bleeding heart. It's getting quite big now. What I should do, I suppose, is in the winter dig it up and split it and get two. And also there's one of our wildflowers there. Look, see the white one there? Kelp parsley. One of my favourite plants. Gives a bit of sculpture to this this area. There's a little fern just started to show its head down there. There we go. Over here we've got a mallow. That would have some really nice flowers on. Yep, great time of the year. Everything is starting to look so good now. Of course, when these bluebells die down, I've got this other plant here. I'm not sure of the name of it. I'll have to find it out, but it comes up with a really bright yellow flower. And I'll try to keep it contained in this area. It tries to escape and get over the lawn, but I'll try and keep it all together. Well, that's it. My little mini bluebell wood. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. And take care. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now, guys.